5. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change. 1. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. Put 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
When I went to my grandpa's house last night, ate I ate steak last year. Steak. Steak. Got shocked. I got shocked when I watched a horror movie. I watched a horror movie yesterday. I drank. I drank a beer last night. I studied to, at school tomorrow. I think that's all. Thank you. Yesterday.
Take a bus. I took a bus. In the morning, I took a bus. Was I was sad because I get a bad score. I got. Play. I play with my best friend. He was right now. Got got shocked. I got shocked because my sister is sick. I was sick. Studied. I studied with my best friend. He was Angelo. Got say the past. Got up. I got up at 6:30 o'clock yesterday. I went to my grandmother's house last morning. My friend gave me a gift. And huh? Gift. Gift.
My friends gave me
A gift.
a gift.
When a Christmas day. Pray. I play with Gilbert. I play with Gilbert last morning. So I saw my brother last afternoon.
When I went to the garden yesterday, so I saw a ghost pass pass at 3 a.m. Heard I heard some scary noise last night. Oh, uh,
drank. I drank 3 bottles of vodka yesterday. Eight. Eight. He ate he ate rice and duck last year. Did, did, I didn't know what I was looking for. Found until I found my drawing book. Got up. I got up this morning. I walked, then I fell. Drank. I drank water today. When today I went to school. Then